Ever wondered how to turn your digital assets on Kraken back into good old fiat money, sitting comfortably in your bank account? It's a common question, and for many, bridging the gap between the volatile world of crypto and the stability of traditional banking can seem like a daunting task. You've navigated the exciting highs and lows of the crypto market, perhaps even made some profitable trades on Kraken, one of the most reputable and secure cryptocurrency exchanges out there. Now, whether you're looking to cash out some profits, cover an unexpected expense, or simply rebalance your portfolio, getting that money into your bank is the crucial next step. But let's be real, the world of crypto can sometimes feel like a labyrinth of technical terms and complex processes. Fiat withdrawals sounds a bit intimidating, doesn't it? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. In fact, Kraken has streamlined the process significantly, making it accessible even for those who are new to the crypto space. This isn't just about clicking a few buttons, it's about understanding the why and how behind each step, ensuring your funds move safely and efficiently from your Kraken account to your personal bank. Today, we're going to demystify the entire process. We'll walk through it step by step, covering everything from the initial login to confirming your funds have landed. We'll talk about the different withdrawal methods available, the fees involved, and perhaps most importantly, how to avoid common pitfalls that could delay your withdrawal. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at withdrawing fiat from Kraken, giving you the confidence and control to manage your crypto assets exactly how you want. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of seamlessly moving your digital wealth into the traditional financial system. Understanding the basics, fiat and Kraken. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly clarify some essential terms. When we say fiat, we're talking about government-issued currency, like the naira, US dollar, euro, or British pound, that is not backed by a physical commodity like gold or silver. It's the money you use every day. Kraken, as you likely know, is a major cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. The goal here is to convert your cryptocurrency holdings on Kraken into one of these fiat currencies and then send that fiat directly to your bank account. Kraken offers various withdrawal methods, primarily bank transfers, which are generally the most secure and reliable way to move larger sums of money. Prerequisites for a smooth withdrawal. Before you even think about hitting that withdraw button, there are a few crucial prerequisites to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Account verification is key. First and foremost, your Kraken account must be verified to at least the intermediate level. This is a fundamental security measure and a regulatory requirement. Lower verification tiers often have restrictions on fiat withdrawals. If you haven't completed this, you'll need to provide identity documents, proof of address, and potentially a selfie. Don't skip this step, it's vital for your financial security and compliance. Linking your bank account. You'll need a bank account in your name that matches the name on your Kraken account. This is a strict anti-money laundering (AML) policy. You cannot withdraw to a third-party account. Make sure you have your bank account details readily available, including bank name, account number, account name matching your Kraken verified name, SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers, or bank sort code/routing number for domestic transfers. It's also generally recommended to have made a small fiat deposit from that bank account to your Kraken account at least once. While not always strictly necessary, this helps link and verify your bank account with Kraken, often leading to smoother subsequent withdrawals. Think of it as a handshake between your bank and Kraken. Checking for withdrawal holds. Sometimes, certain activities on your Kraken account, like a recent large deposit via debit card or a first-time purchase, can trigger a temporary withdrawal hold, usually for 72 hours. This is a security measure to prevent fraud. Always check for any such holds before initiating a withdrawal to avoid unexpected delays. You'll typically see a notification on your Kraken account if a hold is active. Sufficient funds and fees. Ensure you have enough fiat balance in your Kraken account to cover both the withdrawal amount and any associated fees. Kraken's withdrawal fees vary depending on the currency and the withdrawal method. These fees are usually displayed transparently during the withdrawal process. It's always a good idea to factor these in to avoid any surprises. Step-by-step guide to withdrawing fiat from Kraken. Alright, now for the main event. Let's break down the withdrawal process into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. The journey begins by logging into your Kraken account. You can do this via the desktop website or the Kraken mobile app. For this guide, we'll focus on the desktop experience, as it provides a clearer overview. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, look for the Funding tab, or Transfer on some interfaces, in the top navigation bar or on the left-hand menu. Click on it. This section is your hub for all deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw and your fiat currency. On the Funding page, you'll see options for deposit and withdraw. Click on Withdraw. Next, you'll need to select the fiat currency you wish to withdraw. For example, if you want to withdraw US dollars, select USD. If you have Euro, select Euro. Make sure you select the correct currency that corresponds to the fiat you have in your Kraken wallet. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. After selecting your currency, Kraken will present you with available withdrawal methods. These usually include various bank transfer options. The options available will depend on your geographical location and the currency you've selected. Common methods include SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. This is a widely used international bank transfer method. It's generally slower and can have higher fees due to intermediary banks. ACH, Automated Clearing House, primarily for U.S. clients. This is a fast and often free way to transfer funds to U.S. bank accounts. SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area for European clients. SEPA transfers are typically fast and low cost for euro withdrawals within the SEPA zone. FPS, Faster Payment Service for UK clients. FPS offers near-instant GBP transfers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.